Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have created or found an amazing TikTok video and now you want to save it without that watermark bouncing around in the corner, right? So whether you are trying to repost your own content on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or just want a clean version of editing, it is important for you to do it the right way. So in this video, I will walk you through how you can download your TikTok videos without a watermark using only the official and the legit methods. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now in the first step, before posting any of the videos, you need to simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you need to go to your drafts, then you need to tap on the share icon over here and you need to save that video without any watermark. So TikTok now lets you export your own videos cleanly, which is perfect if you want to repurpose your content on Instagram, YouTube Shorts or anywhere else. You can also go to TikTok on your computer, then go to your profile and play one of your own public videos, and then you can right click and save that video. If watermark free saving is enabled in your account settings, it will download without any logos. To ensure that you get the clean downloads, you can also come in the profile in the bottom right hand corner of the screen of your account. Then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, select the option of settings and privacy. Now over here, select the option of privacy. Now here in your privacy, you need to go to downloads. In your downloads, you need to enable the option that allows saving your videos. This works best if you want to manage or archive your own content in HD format. TikTok only allows the downloading other users' video if they have uploaded the downloaded option, and those will always have a watermark. There is no official way to remove it from someone else's video, and that too is to protect creators, which is quite fair. So this is how you can download TikTok videos without a watermark that is safe and 100% legit. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.